Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to archive chats on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to archive chats on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to archive chats on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to archive chats on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Archiving chats on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different chats. If you are willing to archive a chat, first of all, long press on chat. Now you are seeing archive button at the top right section. Click on it. The chat will be archived. You can archive multiple chats in a single click as well. There you go. If you wanted to know how to archive chats on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.